Introduction narrator. Ever wondered how Nike shoes go from sketches to the sneakers on your feet? Behind every pair of Air Max or Jordans lies a global process blending design, precision machinery, and expert craftsmanship made in factories across Vietnam, China, and beyond. Each Nike shoe goes through a high-tech journey from digital prototype to final product. From bold designs and premium materials to Nike's signature air cushioning, every step is engineered for performance. In this video, we take you inside the factory to explore how innovation meets craftsmanship. From concept to creation, this is how Nike shoes are made. History of Nike shoes narrator. Nike's journey began in 1964 as Blue Ribbon Sports, founded by Bill Bowerman and Phil Knight. What started with importing running shoes soon turned into a quest for innovation, like Bowerman's famous waffle sole. Made using his wife's waffle iron dot in 1971, Nike was born, named after the Greek goddess of victory, the iconic swoosh. The revolutionary waffle trainer launched the brand into stardom. Then came game changers like the Air Jordan 1 in 1985 and the Nike Air cushioning system, blending sport with culture. Today, Nike shoes represent over 50 years of performance, innovation, and identity. And now, head inside the factory to see how it all comes together. Production process. Turning a Nike shoe from sketch to sneaker starts with a detailed blueprint sent to factories across Vietnam, China, Indonesia, and India. These high-tech facilities follow strict standards set by Nike's global team. Each factory receives digital patterns and specs, detailing everything from material types to thread direction. Raw materials like Flyknit, mesh, and rubber are cut and prepped using precision machines and skilled labor. The shoes, parts, uppers, midsoles, tongues, and more are produced on separate lines, then assembled layer by layer. Automation ensures accuracy, while human hands handle the fine details. Next, we take a closer look at how Nike's design process brings these sneakers to life. The design for a single stitch is sewn or a sole is pressed. Every Nike shoe begins as an idea vision shaped by athletic performance, fashion trends, and innovation. At Nike's global headquarters in Beaverton, Oregon, designers and engineers work in synergy to imagine the future of footwear. This isn't just sketching cool shapes, it's a data-driven, user-focused process where science meets style. Nike's design phase starts by asking a simple but powerful question. What problem are we solving? Whether it's reducing injury, improving speed, enhancing cushioning, or lowering environmental impact, each shoe must serve a purpose. From elite basketball sneakers, everyday running shoes, design goals are crystal clear from day one. Designers begin with hand-drawn sketches, digital renderings, and 3D modeling. Programs like Adobe Illustrator and CAD tools help visualize everything from the shoe's silhouette to its internal support structure. Nike also uses motion capture and pressure mapping technology to understand how feet move, where stress is placed, and how to better support athletes in motion. Then comes the material story, the visual identity and texture of the shoe. Will it use breathable mesh, sustainable like premium leather? These decisions influence not only performance, but also how the shoe looks and feels in your hand. After the concept is solidified, designers collaborate with biomechanics experts, engineers, and factory partners to ensure it is manufacturable at scale. This results in detailed PAX blueprints that go to the factory for prototyping and testing. Material selection. Now that the design is finalized, it's time to bring the concept to life, starting with material selection, a critical step where performance, durability, and sustainability. Nike doesn't just pick fabrics off a shelf. Material engineers, sources, and develops components with laser-like. The company maintains a vast library of textiles and synthetic materials, each tested for specific attributes: breathability, flexibility, and environmental impact. Rolls of fabric, swatches being stretched and torqued for upper construction. Nike may use Flyknit, a digitally engineered thread system that provides lightweight support and reduces waste by up to 60% compared to traditional Katanso methods. Or they might opt for mesh for breathability, leather for structure, or synthetic suede for style and comfort. Each choice affects the shoe's feel, fit, and function. The midsole and outsole materials are just as important. Nike's famous Air units are made from pressurized gas encapsulated in durable polyurethane. For foam cushioning, Nike uses proprietary compounds like Phylon, React, or ZoomXage, tuned for different types of athletic performance. But material selection isn't only about athletic needs, it's about the planet. Nike has pledged to use more recycled polyester, sustainable rubber, and bio-based foams in its products. Their Move to Zero campaign drives every decision toward a lower carbon footprint. Once the materials are chosen and tested for tensile strength, water resistance, and wear and tear, they're sent to manufacturing facilities. There, rolls of fabric and sheets of rubber become the raw ingredients that will be cut, molded, and assembled. Cutting and shaping with materials ready, it's time to transform them into the building blocks of a Nike shoe. Laser-guided cutters slice Flyknit, mesh, or leather with millimeter precision, creating tongues, heels, and panels. rubber, foam are stamped into midsoles and outsoles, then molded into shape, imprinting Nike's signature traction patterns, making the sole. Nike Air technology at the core of many Nikes is the iconic Air Unita pressurized TPU chamber that delivers lightweight cushioning and rebound. Created by sealing TPU film and injecting nitrogen, these units come in different shapes for different performance needs, from the bold Air Max Bubble to the sleek Zoom Air Pad. They're embedded in foam midsoles for shock absorption, then paired with durable rubber outsoles for grip and flexibility. The result? Sole built for style, comfort, and performance. Adding details and quality control with soles and uppers complete, it's time for the finishing touches. Swoosh, overlays, islets, and color accents are added with precision. Insoles are inserted, laces threaded, and every detail checked. For perfection, each pair faces rigorous tests, flexing, pressure checks, and visual inspections to ensure flawless stitching, structure, and comfort. Only shoes meeting Nike's exact standards move forward. Even the smallest flaw means rework. For Nike, quality is never optional. Packaging and shipping. After passing quality checks, each pair is boxed in durable, recyclable packaging with tissue to protect against damage. Barcoded and scanned into Nike's tracking system, they're sorted by destination store outlet or online customer. Pallets are shrink-wrapped and sent by truck, air, or sea to Nike's global distribution hubs, then routed worldwide. From design to delivery, every step is timed and precise, so your Nikes arrive flawless and ready to perform. Conclusion: from digital sketches to global factories, every Nike sneaker is the result of expert craftsmanship, cutting-edge tech, and a commitment to performance and style. Nike isn't just footwear, it's about pushing limits, blending sport with science, and turning vision into reality. Thanks for joining us on this journey behind the swoosh. Until next time, keep asking, how is it made?